What an asshole. I can't think of a more pretentious cocksucker thing to do.
Right.
You're so jealous.
I want to come running out of the woods and just clothesline him over. Ain't so big now, helicopter man.
The helicopter gonna stay here and take him away? But that would be cool. I don't understand what kind of a joke this could be.
He's got a doctor bag with him or something. Dude, that's like a little Buddy Holly helicopter. That ain't right. You can smell the glue drying on it. Wait.
All the people?
Yeah. Oh, I had them.
We're ready to get food.